Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. With this video, we are going to discuss about the Indian Institute of Technology Bombay. Like at what percentile you can target with this option, what about the placements for IIT Bombay, what about the batch profile, that everything we are going to discuss with this video. IIT Bombay is also one of the good option you can consider with if you want to complete your MBA. So if you consider the eligibility criteria for IIT Bombay, then you must have completed your 4 years of graduation with minimum 60% marks for general category. And for the reserved category, there is a 5% of relaxation is given. So IIT Bombay has also set up the minimum CAT qualifying cutoff according to the category for shortlisting of the PI round. So for general category, it is 75 percentile with the quantitative ability, BRC and DLR section, and overall you should have 90 percentile or more than that in your CAT entrance examination. For NCOBC, it is 67.5 percentile with the quantitative ability, VRC and DLR section, and overall you should have 81 percentile or more than that in your CAT entrance examination. For SC, ST and PWD category, it is 50 percentile with the quantitative ability, VRC and DLR section, and overall you should have 60 percentile or more than that in your CAT entrance examination. And if we consider the final selection, then in that 70% weightage is given to your performance in CAT 2023, that is your CAT score. Then your academic profile will have some percentage, like your 12th marks will have 5% weightage, 5% weightage is given to your graduation, 10% weightage is given to the gender diversity, 5% weightage is given to the postgraduate professional, and 5% weightage is given to the work experience. The fee structure for IIT Bombay is nearly up to 12 lakhs, and if you are from the reserved category, then you need not to pay the tuition fees. You have the relaxation in the tuition fees in the IITs. Now if we consider the overall batch profile for IIT Bombay, then there are overall 115 candidates. If we consider it in terms of work experience, then there are 11% candidates have the work experience in between 1 to 12 months, 29% candidates have the work experience in between 13 to 24 months, 11% candidates have the work experience of more than 36 months, and 49% candidates have the work experience in between 25 to 36 months. If we consider in terms of work experience, then there are 46% candidates have the work experience in IT and ITES, 17% candidates are from the operations, 14% candidates are from the consulting and analytics, 7% candidates are from the sales and marketing, and 16% candidates are from the engineering sector and other. If we split it in terms of engineering, then there are 30% candidates have the academic background as CSE and IT, 25% candidates are from the electrical engineering and electronics and communication engineering, 24% candidates are from the mechanical engineering, 13% candidates are from the civil, and 8% candidates have the other engineering stream than this. So there are overall 23% candidates are the female candidates, then 26% students are from the premier institutes, 17% students are with the work experience. So overall if we consider the average work experience months, then it is of 19 months. Now coming to the placements for the IIT Bombay, then the highest CTC offered with this college, it is nearly up to 54 lakhs per annum. The average salary package offered with this college, it is nearly up to 28.88 lakhs per annum. The median salary package offered with this college, it is nearly up to 26.64 lakhs per annum. Then the lowest CTC offered with the IIT Bombay, it is nearly up to 20 lakhs per annum. So if we consider, there are top 75% candidates are with the average salary package of 31.41 lakhs per annum. Top 50% candidates are with the average salary package of 34.58 lakhs per annum, and top 25% candidates are with the average salary package of 40.80 lakhs per annum. So if we consider it in terms of company, then there are 18% candidates are placed in the BFSI. If we consider the placements for the female candidates, then the highest salary package offered is 54 lakhs per annum. The average CTC offered is 29.35 lakhs per annum. The median CTC offered is 28.90 lakhs per annum, and the lowest CTC offered is 23.50 lakhs per annum. Then if we consider the sector-wise placements, then for the BFSI, the average CTC offered is nearly up to 25.63 lakhs per annum. And if we consider the top recruiters for BFSI, Then those are DBS, S Bank, ICICI Bank, JP Morgan, and there are so many companies are over there. Then if we consider the consulting, then the average CTC offered with consulting is nearly up to 29.09 lakhs per annum. And if we consider the top recruiters for consulting, then those are Accenture Strategy, Deloitte, USI, GEP, IBM, then Nation with Namo, PwC, US Advisory, and there are so many companies are over there. Then if we consider it for the IT and e-commerce, then the average CTC offered is nearly up to 31.72 lakhs per annum. And if we consider the top recruiters for the IT and e-commerce, then those are Accenture, Amazon, EXL Analytics, Google, SCL Tech, and Wipro. Then if we consider the FMCG and FMCD, then the average salary package offered is nearly up to 28.88 lakhs per annum. And if we consider the top recruiters for the FMCG and FMCD, then those are Diageo, HUL, ITC, Marico, and there are so many companies are over there. Then for the other, the average CTC offered is nearly up to 28.54 lakhs per annum. And if we consider the top recruiters, then those are Aditya Birla Group, Adani, Landmark, Reliance, and there are so many companies are over there. Now coming to the important dates for IIT Bombay. So the application has already been started from 2nd January 2024 and the last date of application is 31st of January. So if you want to apply for IIT Bombay, you need to visit their website. So here the overall process is given for the application, so you can follow for this process. So this is all about the IIT Bombay. If you have any doubts, any queries in this, then you can just let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching the video. If you find the video helpful, then do like the video and subscribe the channel.